Another case of shocking lynching coming to light. Alleged cow vigilantes have lynched yet another man in the month of June in the name of cow protection. A man was beaten to death in Jharkhand's Ramgarh district for suspicion of carrying beef in his vehicle. Sources say that the man by the name of Alimuddin was rumored to be carrying banned meat in his Maruti van and was stopped by a group who then beat him to death. Shocking visuals, shocking details coming in from Jharkhand, even as the Prime Minister yesterday made an emotional, impassionate speech against cow vigilantism. Listen into some details coming in.
जैसा बताया गया कि चट्टी बाजार के आगे बाजार टांड क्षेत्र में वह व्यक्ति कथित तौर पर आपत्तिजनक सामग्री लेकर के जा रहा था, जिस पर कुछ लोगों के द्वारा उसे रोका गया और उसके साथ मारपीट की गई और उसकी गाड़ी में आग लगा दी गई। फिर पुलिस के द्वारा तत्काल कार्रवाई करते हुए उस व्यक्ति को अस्पताल ले जाया गया, जहाँ से मृत घोषित किया। उसके बाद पुलिस ने नामजद प्राथमिकी इसमें कर रही है पुलिस, और जो भी लोग इसमें शामिल हैं उन लोगों के खिलाफ छापेमारी की जा रही है और जल्दी उन लोगों को गिरफ्तारी की जाएगी। जैसा बताया गया कि चट्टी बाजार के आगे बाजार टांड क्षेत्र में वह व्यक्ति कथित तौर पर आपत्तिजनक सामग्री लेकर के जा रहा था, जिस पर कुछ लोगों के द्वारा उसे रोका गया और उसके साथ मारपीट की गई और उसकी गाड़ी में आग लगा दी गई। फिर पुलिस के द्वारा तत्काल कार्रवाई करते हुए उस व्यक्ति को अस्पताल ले जाया गया, जहाँ से मृत घोषित किया। उसके बाद पुलिस ने नामजद प्राथमिकी इसमें कर रही है पुलिस, और जो भी लोग इसमें शामिल हैं उन लोगों के खिलाफ छापेमारी की जा रही है और जल्दी उन लोगों को गिरफ्तारी की जाएगी।
This is a weakness of the system and the society. Something happened and it has been condemned by one and all. The Prime Minister second time also spoke about it. It is happening in different parts of the country, and it's really a shame. It's a shame, and also it's very barbaric, atrocious. Everyone has to condemn it, and there's no religious angle linked to this. Let us not bring in religions into this. This is an inhuman and barbaric act.
Our senior editor Prakash Singh is joining us on the phone line for more on this. Prakash, this is just becoming horrifying by the day. Not just, people collecting and beating other people in the name of beef or cow or whatever it is. And visuals coming out and clearly shows the lack of empathy, basic human and humanity, amongst the public these days. What is the police saying now about when are they going to be able to arrest these goons who lynched this man?
Well, the police is investigating into the case, and 10 people have been detained in this particular case, and a named FIR against 10 people have also been lodged in this particular case. And the police are zeroing on all those people. Raids have been conducted at various places. The entire area of Ramgarh has been cordoned off. Heavy deployment of police forces have been done. The flag march is also being done so that peace and harmony is maintained. So far, the situation is under control in Jharkhand. But the basic thing is that when this incident took place, this person called Asghar Ali, who is the deceased, he was a beef trader, and apparently cow slaughter and beef meat is banned in Jharkhand. And the group of people who apparently or allegedly killed Asghar Ali, we are told that they were extortionists and they were demanding ransom money from Asghar Ali because they had some personal animosity with him as well, what the police is saying. And against this person also there was some charge pertaining to an abduction of child. So all these things are being investigated, but the police is also saying that anyone doesn't have any right to kill anybody. So it's a barbaric and horrific incident that has taken place in Jharkhand.